Real Estate Investing, 2 Manuscript, Investing in Real Estate for Beginners, and Rental Property Investing for Beginners. Written by Jason A. Welch. Narrated by Russell Newton.
Investing in Real Estate for Beginners. Learn how to invest in profitable rental property and maximize your return for new real estate investors. Written by Jason A. Welch. Narrated by Russell Newton. Introduction. The best real estate investors are those who keep their ear to the ground when it comes to new avenues for lead generation and changing buyer or renter trends, which means they cultivate the habit of lifelong learning as early as possible. Failing to do so is like leaving money on the table. Getting ready to pick out your first investment property is akin to getting ready to start out on a great adventure. No great adventure that ends profitably is over quickly, however, which means that before you get started down the path of real estate investment, you need to be ready to commit to the long haul. Successfully investing in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint, and slow and steady wins the race. Doing the research, setting up budget goals, and learning about the areas where you would like to invest are keys to achieving success. Networking with real estate professionals and studying the trends in a neighborhood will make for a strong, profitable investment. Investing in profitable real estate properties can at first seem daunting, but with the information provided in this audiobook, you should be able to begin investing in real estate properties better equipped than when you first began to read it. This book will answer all your questions on real estate investing. Chapter 1. Real Estate Investing for Beginners. Investing in real estate is another method of putting your money to work today and allowing it to grow and multiply as time goes. For the investment to be worthwhile, though, the returns, or the profit you get from your investment, must be able to cover the taxes imposed on the property, the maintenance costs, insurance, the risks taken, and the costs of other utilities. The concept of investing in real estate is quite simple. First, it requires a basic understanding of the nature of the investment economics involved and the risks you'll bear when you invest. To make a profit, you must invest in properties, collect rent, and manage the money you get so that you can invest it in other businesses as well. Note that simple does not mean that real estate business is easy. It's marred with risks, ranging from minor to large disasters that could make you lose your property or even worse. Although there are risks involved, real estate investment remains one of the most popular and most lucrative investment ventures because of its straightforward approach. The business comprises a fair exchange between a property owner and the property user. As long as the user pays rent, and as long as the owner ensures that his property remains safe and with the proper connection, electricity and water, although the renter pays the bills, the deal is sealed. However, there may be added complexities depending on the type of real estate investments, such as commercial, industrial, residential, and the kind that trades on stock exchanges called REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. How to go about real estate. The concept of real estate investing has been around for generations. Some people think that it's just about buying and selling property. That is technically an important aspect of the field, but unlike other investments, you have some sense of control over what you hold. The variables that can directly impact the real estate market can be significant. If the real estate market is up, some strategies work fine, and then in down markets, other techniques become more profitable. Regardless of the market, you can make money investing in real estate. Becoming a real estate investor requires few items: laptop, printer, and phone. This is all the equipment you need to begin. You can work from home, what many call laptop lifestyles. It's a very low-budget investment compared to starting any other physical business, which usually requires other kinds of startup investments like offices, staff, companies, etc. And launching a real estate investing business is far simpler than starting the majority of other businesses. It does not require venture capital.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?